Hello everyone, today is Sunday, August 18th, and we'll be doing a review of last week's Hang Seng Index performance and share some thoughts on its potential movement in the coming week. Looking at the daily and weekly charts, we can see that the trend is consistent with our analysis from last week. Specifically, on August 9th, we observed a double buy signal from both the moving average indicator and the volume price indicator. As expected, the Hang Seng Index experienced a slight uptick, driven primarily by strong earnings reports from companies like JD.com, Tencent, and Alibaba. Despite the overall economic downturn in China, these companies have maintained growth and adjusted their business strategies, with solid fundamentals reflected in their P/E ratios and other valuations. The key question now is whether the Hang Seng Index can return to previous highs, such as 20,000 points, as this will depend on macroeconomic factors and investor confidence rather than just fundamentals. Looking at the daily chart, the index is facing a resistance level around 18,000 points. Next week will be crucial as it marks the final week of earnings reports for many companies. Whether the index can break through this resistance and maintain upward momentum is uncertain, especially given the short-term impact of macroeconomic factors and geopolitical developments. On the weekly chart, as predicted, the moving average and volume price indicators both confirmed a buy signal at the start of the week, indicating a solid bottom for the medium to long term. The trend is more stable compared to earlier last year, showing a clear shift in momentum from bearish to bullish. This reinforces my confidence in both short-term and long-term opportunities for the Hang Seng Index, not just for the rest of this year, but also into 2024. Now, shifting to a shorter time frame, the 2-hour chart indicates that the index is in a critical phase, waiting to see if it can sustain a breakout. It has hit a key level, but for now, it is signaling to hold positions. Whether it can sustain this breakout will depend on next week's earnings reports and other macroeconomic factors that could inject confidence into the market. The moving average indicator has not yet signaled a sell, and the bullish trend is currently overtaking the bearish trend. If there's a breakout, I expect a pullback, and the strength of that pullback will determine whether the support level holds, allowing for further upward movement. I remain optimistic about the Hang Seng Index and will consider both long-term and short-term strategies based on how these factors play out. That's my view on the Hang Seng Index for this week. Thank you for watching.